Okay guys, now we're going to go over the character data types. CHAR for character, and well, that's it for characters, that's the only one. So this one's pretty easy. It's used to store a single character. Remember, it is, I believe it was 4 bytes. The character must be surrounded by single quotes like A or C. So my grade equals B, C out equals my grade. If we go to try it yourself and run it, it's saying C out whatever my grade equals, which is AB. Now, this next part, this gets a little bit slippery. The ASCII values can be used to display certain characters. Now, remember in an earlier lecture, I told you guys the ASCII codes it's important to realize that when coding, the CPU can only see binary digits. So, when you code and then the processor has to work with it, it needs to know, is this supposed to be a character or is this supposed to be the number 65? So what we have to do here is we have to designate that the 65 is going to equal A. Here's where the disconnect is going to happen. What you have to realize is you're saying C out A. A is equaling 65. The 65 is what has been designated as a character. And I can kind of show you that. See, if you try it yourself, this is what you come up with, ABC. Notice they didn't do any backslash n's here, so they're on a straight line. But look at how this is a lowercase a. Why did it come out as uppercase? That is because we are saying the character is 65. Which over here is an uppercase A. So the output just got a little bit more complex. Well, they actually just kind of made it confusing because they used the characters A, B, and C, and I can show you that over here. So if I run this as a 65, ABC just like they got. What happens if I change it to a 64? @ sign. Now does that match up with what we see over here? 64 is the @ sign, so yes it does. And furthermore, understand that the A, B, and C are just being used to bridge over to here and then deem it as a character. So if I change this to, let's just say, a D, and then change this to a D as well and ran that, we should have the same exact result. So hopefully that helps make this make a little bit of sense. And go ahead and you can message me or whatever you need to do if you have any questions.